What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia. In today's video, I will be talking about how I will plan to start a t-shirt business from scratch this year. So if you're thinking about starting your very own t-shirt business or you've started it but you feel like you're stuck in the process, this video is for you. So if you see me looking down, I have some notes that I just want to make sure I cover everything that I want to talk about in this video. And the first thing I want to talk about is my t-shirt journey. I started my t-shirt business originally in 2017, and at that time I was printing my t-shirts via HTV vinyl, heat transfer vinyl. So there was a lot of cutting and weeding, but it got the job done at the time. That's the only way I knew how to make t-shirts, and I was using Etsy to sell, which I still do to this day. And I was able to turn that into a six-figure business from 2017 all the way to 2021. So that was multiple six-figure years, and it did not come by luck. By 2022, I had came across print on demand. At this point, I was tired of printing my shirts with the vinyl. I was tired of the process of constantly cutting with my Cricut and weeding all the time, day and night. And if I had a lot of orders to do, you know, sometimes my husband would help me, but if I had a lot of orders to do, it was very tiresome, very, very tiresome. And I didn't know any other better way. I knew there was screen printing, but I didn't want to do that. It seemed like a lot of work also. So I came across print on demand, and I was nervous to try it out because I knew I would have to release control over fulfilling the shirts. I would not be able to see the quality of the shirt, what my customer was receiving. So that was a big jump for me. But long story short, I was willing to take the risk and try something new and just make it a little bit easier for me. So I did try print on demand, and I was able to turn that into a six-figure business as well. It was still work, but it was less work. So I was happy with that. And from 2022, 2023, 24, I have been rocking with print on demand. So now over time, I have the interest. I've always had the interest, but it's getting stronger every year, I see. And I wanted to go back to my in-home t-shirt business versus print on demand. Nothing's wrong with print on demand. I just prefer to do the process myself. I enjoy doing the process myself, pressing the shirts, you know, creating the designs and all that good stuff, and shipping it out to the customer, being able to personalize the packaging. That's just me personally. I thought it would be interesting to share the journey with you. So I'm starting from scratch because I have a shop that is strictly print on demand, but I opened up a new shop, and I want this shop to only be in-house. And since I'm starting all over from scratch with physical t-shirts, doing it in-home, I thought it would be great to share the journey with you all. And I was like, what if they're starting their own t-shirt business or they feel like they're stuck in the process? This way you can see exactly what I do, the tools I use, all that jazz. So I thought it would be neat to take you all on this journey with me, and I'm going to call it 0 to 6 figures t-shirt business, something of that nature. And I just want to show you what I do. Now that I've told you my backstory, I am now going to share with you the tools that I am going to be using to start this off and why. So this isn't in any particular order, but the first tool is eRank, and I'm going to be using eRank for my data research. I know a lot of people just go on Etsy and see what's selling, see how many sales a listing has received over time, but I personally start with the data. I need to make sure things are selling. This is why I use eRank. I use it to make sure that a certain niche is actually selling in real time and traffic is going to that niche. I'll also be using Etsy. First off, I'm using Etsy to sell on. That's the platform of my choice. A lot of people use Shopify. However, you do have to pay for ads. You have to do a lot of work on the marketing end, and that's why I use Etsy, because they bring in the traffic themselves. You need to create products where the demand is, okay? So I will be using Etsy to sell my products on. I will also be using Etsy for my product research, or trend research rather. So Etsy, Pinterest, and Instagram for my trend research. I will be using Canva and also Kittle to create my designs for my t-shirts. I'll also be placing the price for each tool on the screen somewhere, so that way you know how much each one costs. Majority of these are free and or under 20 bucks, so nothing expensive, nothing crazy. I want to spend as little as possible with this. I already have a heat press because I had already previously started a in-home t-shirt business previously. So I already have a heat press, but you can get that off of Amazon for, I say, less than $150. And I know I said I'm doing an in-home t-shirt business, but in the beginning, I'm going to use Printify, and the reason why is I'm trying to get to a certain volume of sales first before I start fulfilling them from home. So at first it's going to be like 1 sale, 2 sales, say a week in the beginning. And I don't want to pay for shipping from my vendor that I choose, pay for the shirts, then pay for the shipping for the shirts to be sent to me, and then also have to pay for, I'm going to be using DTF transfers for my printing method. I don't have to pay for shipping. Basically, I need the numbers to make sense. So once I get up to a certain volume, let's say it takes 15 shirts for me to get free shipping from my vendor. Okay, that makes more sense to me versus paying for the shipping like I said previously. And same thing for my transfers. I would like to, that's just my personal choice and the path I'm taking. So that's that is why I'll be using Printify in the beginning. Now once my volume gets up to a certain point, then I'll stop using Printify. So that's it for this video. I know it was kind of short, but I just wanted to give an intro to what I'll be doing, and I would be more than happy for you to join me on this journey. And I will also try to create a free Telegram group where we can talk to each other about each other's journeys, how it's going, all that good stuff. I'll link it below in the description, and also I'll try to link a document that will tell you all the tools and equipment that I will be using for my t-shirt business, my in-home t-shirt business. I will make it my goal to post a new video weekly. I'm aiming for 2 videos, but can't make any promises, but I will definitely post every week and share with you what I'm doing next on each phase of this journey. So I will talk to you guys later, and if you have any questions, definitely comment below and I will do my best to answer them. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.